Good morning, guys. Happy Halloween! Gising na natin ng mga kids dahil, 6 o'clock na. And hindi ako gumawa ng breakfast, o diba? So, yun yung lunch nila. Yun lang yung ginawa ko today. So, gisingin na natin sila. Good morning! Happy Halloween! Happy Halloween! Happy Halloween! Come on, let's go. It's 6 o'clock, guys. I'm gonna turn the light on. Close your eyes.
I got one eye closed and one
Oh,
eye
be careful.
open.
Your glasses, ma'am. Do you want it now? Here, I got it. Right here.
My eyes.
Your eyes? Try.
Yeah, they get blurry every day.
It gets a blurry.
Yeah.
Si Kuya, mga nakahubad.
Hello.
Dang!
Sometimes uncontrollable.
Okay, well, go pee-pee. Go pee. Troy, come on, get up. Happy Halloween! Trick or treat, give me something good to eat. No! Come on, let's go. Hey! Troy, what? Do you know what's tomorrow? November 1st. Dude, it's time to get up now. Come on, let's go. Come on. Ayaw pa niya tumayo. Troy, get up, come on. So, I'm just gonna do some cereal for them kasi hindi ako nagluto ng breakfast. So, yeah. Let's go.
Forward transformation. That was
Good morning, sis.
Good morning. What do you mean?
Good morning, Troy.
Happy Halloween today.
Say happy Halloween today. Happy Halloween today.
Happy Halloween. We're going through the haunted house.
Huh?
No. There's a haunted house there too.
You go in a haunted house?
Yeah.
Wait,
And
where?
I'll be crying.
Good morning.
Haunted house.
Good morning.
What is a haunted house? I remember.
Caleb's
It's at the
naked. So.
parade.
Walang damit si Caleb. So.
What?
Give it to me.
Do it to me.
Troy's scary.
Do it to me. This is scary.
Rah,
This is scary.
This is scary.
I'm scared. You are pretty scared. I'm back. Boo.
What's it gonna do?
He's doing the Pennywise. Alright, come on, let's go.
No,
We gotta eat.
Mommy, do I look
Hey, Mom. Doesn't Pennywise have a very, very strong grip?
I think so.
And he can turn all of
Mommy,
your
look
blood
at me.
into helium.
Yeah.
Mommy, put the camera
Wait,
on
you
me.
Okay.
I mean, it's turned like 365 in 1 year. All the helium. All of the helium. Most of the helium.
Okay, let's go. Let's go get dressed.
Mommy, I'm full.
Okay. Ayan. Hatid na natin sila, guys. Ayan yung si Natalia. Dala niya yung kanyang Halloween costume. Kaya, Sissy, look at me. Turn around. Whoops! Okay, go.
Da, 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 da.
What? Careful. Oh, dito na kami sa school. Dalawang bag ni Ate Girl. Oh.
It's school time.
Yeah, it's school time. Don't forget, you put your costume back in the backpack, okay?
Okay.
And you too, Troy. Okay? So, hi guys. Huwag niyong pansinin yung mga kalat ko. So, meron akong, gagawin is treat bags ng mga kids sa school. And, para for Halloween sa mga class nila. So, nag-ano ako, kasi natapa. Ginawa ko na to siya kagabi. And, yeah. Ayan. So, yung sa classroom ni Natalia, merong itong glasses na to, and itong pencils. And, a bunch of candies. Nalagay natin dyan. So, lalagay natin dito sa plastic na to. And I'm hoping na kasya siya. Ay, kasya, besh! Ay, kasya nga. Ayan. Kasya siya. Ayan. Tapos, meron akong ginagawa doon na pang lagay sa tag na to, na Happy Halloween from Natalia. So, hindi ko muna igaganito ko lang. Para makita na. Kike, what are you doing? So, nalagyan ko, no! Now, lalagyan naman natin yung kay Troy ng ring pop. So, ito yung kay Troy. So, yung kay Troy, guys, walang pencil kasi naubusan tayo ng pencil. So, ito yung kay Troy. So, kay Troy is 16. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, meron din, may eyeball din. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 15. Nawala yung isa. Wait lang, nawala yung isa. So guys, finally we're done. So ito na siya guys. Ayan, gumawa din ako nitong Happy Halloween na tag. Ayan. So ayan na. Tapos na siya. And ito yung mga ni Natalia. Ito yung kay Natalia. Ito yung kay Troy. So, gumawa rin ako ng tag for Troy. Ayan. Same thing lang siya. Ayan. Ano ba yan? Tapos, ito naman yun kay Kuya Chad na bag. And this is Caleb's bag. Ayan. So, tapos na. OMG. Oh, ayan. Tapos na. So, pupunta na tayo sa school. So, pupunta na tayo sa school para i-deliver natin itong mga to. And also, meron silang Halloween parade. So, yeah. And, hinihintay na ako, I think, ng aking mother-in-law kasi kasama natin siya. And, kasi ako na lang mag-isang manunood ngayon. So, gusto niya sumama. So, yun. Tara, let's go. At ilagay na natin itong mga to sa car. Let's go. So, guys! Aray ko naman. Ano ba yan? So, tapos na yung yung parade. Medyo, tawag na to. Hindi siya mabilis. Ay, hindi siya mabilis. Hindi, mabilisan lang na, na parade. Para lang masuot ng mga kids yung kanilang costume. And also, ginawa na, dapat sa labas yan eh. Pero dahil sobrang lakas ng hangin and malamig, inano na lang sa loob ng school. Kaya, to hallway lang, kagaya din last year. Hallway to hallway lang yung, hindi, last year sa labas kasi hindi masyadong malamig last year. Ngayon medyo malamig talaga kasi masama ang panahon, as in like uulan, pero sana hindi umulan kasi syempre magte-trick or treat ang mga bata. And po, kalamig! 48 degree tayo ngayon, OMG! So yeah, kaya medyo tag na to, konti lang yung vlog ko dun sa, video ko doon sa school, yung nagparade sila. Pero syempre dahil maraming bata na makikita. So at mahirap na din i-blurry ang mga faces ng mga kids. Hindi ko na lang i-upload. Para mabilis ang buhay ang buhay ko, no. Kasi talaga kasi yung mga faces nila naka-show and hindi naman natin pwedeng ipakita yung mga faces ng mga bata. So kaya hindi ko na lang i-upload, for myself na lang yung mga videos. May pictures naman, so yeah. So yeah, nandito kasi sa kasama ko si mother-in-law and yeah, nag-enjoy din naman siya. Kasi last year sinatali yung kasama ko dahil hindi pa siya nag-school. So this time, siya na yung nag-school. Kaya sabi na aking mother-in-law, sige samahan kita para hindi ka mag-isa. O, diba? Kaya, ayun. Anyways, so magti-trick or treat tayo today. It starts ng 6 o'clock ang trick or treat. I think 6 or 5. Anong oras ba? Hindi ako sure kung anong oras eh. Pero alam ko 6 o'clock ang start. And alam nyo, good thing na Friday ngayon. And walang school the next day. As in... So ayan, tignan nyo guys na sobrang nag-iiba na yung nag-iba na yung mga dahon, as in fall color na sila. Ayan. O diba? Na dun, no? Kailangan ko linisin yung aking mga window. Ayan. Oh. Fall color. Ayan. Ang ganda niyan, lalo na pagka talagang yan as in maganda sila. Kaso nagtatanggalan na sila sa mga dahon nila dahil malamig na. Ayan, yung iba nga wala na wala na mga dahon. Andyan na sila. Tingnan natin kung sino ulang bababa. Tagal ah. Tagal naman. Ayan si Kuya Kailom. Ay, Diyos mio. Ano sila? Nagtulungan ang mga bagets.
I can walk.
Look at our Elsa. Come on, Elsa. Okay, you lift it up. Oh my goodness. Ayun yung tatlo nandoon na sa bahay ng lola nila. Mag-trick or treat daw sila. Come on, Elsa. Go. Daddy's gonna ride up. Gonna get us. Ang ganda naman ni Elsa. Talagang tinaman naman. Naka pa oh. Saan kayo dyan? Yan ang susuotin niya sa birthday niya. Yeah. Look how cute you are, Miss Elsa.
I can't wait to show Mama.
Oh no.
Mama's gonna be
Ang cute naman ni Elsa.
surprised.
Mm-hmm. You got it, Elsa? Say Happy Halloween!
Happy Halloween.
No. Don't sit right there. Move, Troy, move. Happy Halloween! Wawa naman si Princess. Yes?
We have candy.
How much candy did you get? Look at this, guys. Oh. Sobrang madilim na. Oh, right there. They're handing out candy. Oh my gosh. Oh, tignan niyo sila. Cute. Alright, go.
Okay. Let me get them now.
Alright, hey, you two get on the side. Side. Oh, tingnan niyo to. Cute to.
Look at that.
Oh my goodness, look, there's a woo. Alright, go, go. Go.
Look at these.
Look at this, guys.
Say Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween.
Where did Dad go?
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Oh,
And now mine is starting to get full.
starting to get full. Well,
Not really, but
not really.
Mine isn't.
Alright, let's go. So guys, nakauwi na kami after ng ating trick-or-treat. Medyo hindi ako masyadong nakapag-video because kinailangan kong anuhin ito si Natalia dahil yung kanyang dress is natatapakan niya. So, kailangan ko siyang tulungan. So, ayan, kumakain sila ng pizza. Pizza! After trick-or-treating.
Hey, Mom, can I get me a
What?
Mountain Dew?
Oh yeah, I forgot you guys drink. Hold on. Guys, tingnan niyo si Daddy. Oh, nilalabas na niya yung aking Christmas stuff. Dahil sabi ko gusto ko na mag-decorate tomorrow. Dahil tomorrow is Saturday, November 1st. So, Daddy got my tree out! Yay! Thank you.
You're welcome.
Tingnan niyo guys, si Ate Girl nakatulog na siya dito. Oh. Nakatulog na. Oh, natutulog na sila. Bedtime na. So, si Natalia kanina pa yan sa tulog. Siguro mga 1 oras na yan siyang tulog. Alright, good night. Good night. Happy Halloween. Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween.
Hey, Mom.
Oh my goodness, a scary person. Kuya, happy Halloween. Good night. So guys, pakita ko sa inyo yung mga candy ng mga bagets bago ako matulog. Ito yung candy ni Caleb. Yan, sa kanya yan. Kay Caleb. Kay Troy. Ayan, ito naman kay Chad. Ayan, ito yung kay Natalia. Ayan. Ay, ito yung kay Natalia. Ayan. So, that's it guys. Thank you sa panonood and thank you sa pag-support. Happy Halloween sa lahat. And sana marami kayong nakuhang candy. And, so yeah. So, tomorrow is November na. Oh my gosh. Christmas na guys. Christmas na. So, bukas maglalagay tayo ng Christmas tree. Kahit yung Christmas tree lang yung ilalagay natin, okay lang. Basta mailagay ko lang aking Christmas tree. So, okay na yun sa akin. And, kasi last year, hinintay ko pa yung aking birthday. O, diba? So, ngayon, kahit Christmas tree lang ang ilalagay natin. And then, later on na tayo mag-decorate. So, yeah, I'm excited. So, good night, guys. Salamat sa pagsama sa amin sa araw ng Halloween. So, happy Halloween. Good night.